We are AT1271 Group A.
Hi, my name is Ebesius Nyamek, anak Kelvin Spencer.
Hi, my name is Clarissa Bell, anak David.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Shazdanish Azhar bin Muhammad Hanif.
Hi, my name is Lufi Ali bin Abdul Hassan Ashraf.
What is Secchi disc? A Secchi disc is a simple circular disc used to measure the transparency or clarity of water, typically in oceans, lakes, or rivers. Secchi disc is usually black and white color. Now, I'm going to explain why Secchi disc is white and black color. It is to enhance visibility and contrast, allowing for better measurement of water transparency in various lighting and water conditions. How do we want to know the depth of the UITM lake? First, we have to lower the disc into the water. Now, we have to wait until the disc is no longer visible. When the disc is no longer visible, we can pull up the disc. The length on the rope that is wet is referred to the depth of the UITM lake. The reading that we got is 30 cm.
Now we are going to use the refractometer to determine the salinity in UITM lake. Now this is a digital refractometer. To use it, firstly we have to turn it on, and then we have to clean the scanner with distilled water and then wipe it with clean cloth. Now we have to press read until it's calibrated to 0. Now we are going to use the other type of refractometer. Firstly, we have to clean the lens with distilled water, and then we take the sample water, put it on the lens, and then we close it, and then we look through the scope to see the salinity of the water. But before that, we have to calibrate the refractometer to 0 also to get an accurate measurement. I forgot to mention in the video that the result that we have gotten are 0 because the lake is freshwater, and freshwater are bound to get 0 salinity.
Moving on, we are going to measure the pH of the UITM Mocha Lake and UITM Mocha Pond. Firstly, we conducted the measurement at UITM Mocha Lake. After finding the location that is suitable to conduct this measurement, we started off by recalibrate the device before the measurement start. After the recalibration, we started to dip the device into the lake and suspend it in the middle of the water level. At the first location, we get 7.01 as our pH. After that, we moved on to the second area. After dipping this device into the waters, we waited for the result. After a few seconds, we finally received a stable result, which is 6.57 as our pH. At the last location, we conducted the measurements. We received 6.71 as our pH result. After calculating the average pH to finalize our measurement, we received 6.76 as our average pH of the UITM lake. Next up, we travel to the location of UITM Mocha Pond. After arriving, we find a suitable pond to conduct the measurement on. On the first pond, we conducted the measurement 3 times to receive the average pH of the pond. At the first location, we received 8.43, 8.25, and 8.25 as our results, and after calculations, we found 8.31 as our final average result of the pH on the first pond. Moving on to the second pond, we received 8.29, 8.40, and 8.60 as our results, and the final average result is 8.43.
Dissolved oxygen meter. This is a briefing by our lecturer on how to maintain the DO meter.
Which is untuk pastikan dia sentiasa basah. Okay. Kemudian bola kita untuk dia untuk bagi gambar. Bila simpan pun dalam ni kita akan letak dia punya electrolyte ataupun kalau tak ada kita pakai air je, distilled water sikit.
I'll be explaining the details on how to maintain the DO meter. Before using the DO meter, you need to ensure that it is set up correctly. First, ensure that the meter is correctly calibrated. Calibration ensures that the meter is measuring dissolved oxygen levels accurately. Next, fill the dissolved oxygen probe with the electrolyte solution to ensure proper conductivity of the electrode. The meter should also be properly charged before use.
So guys, today in our YouTube channel, we will be doing DO meter calculation or the observation using the DO meter.
Doing all the steps before. Next, insert the probe into the water and move the probe in the water to release any air bubbles and to provide a fresh sample to the sensor cap. Then continuously stir the sensor, allow the temperature to stabilize and wait for DO readings to stabilize while continuing stirring. Here are all the overall results for UiTM Muka Lake and the UiTM Muka first and second pond.
These are the overall results.